I wanna walk out through the window and resonate with the creaks in the floor. Watch the rain come trickle, then pour to purge what haunts my mind. I wanna wake up in my own bed, remember everything that I said. I wanna pull the covers over my head, regretting the night before. Want a little sunshine, things to fall in line. Oh, it might take a little time to right these things that I've done wrong. I wanna be bold and break out of the mold. I wanna leave out in the cold all these things that I've done wrong. I wanna make right. I wanna unload all of these bricks and let go of what I cannot fix. Come clean, heel on my legs, how the weight fall off in lumps. And I know I wanna bury all the hatchets deep and kiss your head before I go to sleep. I wanna spontaneously weep like a river that runs and flows. Want a little sunshine, things to fall in line. Oh, it might take a little time to right these things that I've done wrong. I wanna be bold and break out of the mold. I wanna leave out in the cold all these things that I've done wrong. I wanna make right with all of my might, 'cause I got a dog in this fight. Oh, for these things I shall atone. I wanna repair and lift out of despair. I might even say a little prayer. Oh, for these things I shall atone. I wanna make right. Sunshine, for things to fall in line. Oh, it might take a little time to right these things that I've done wrong. I wanna repair and lift out of despair. I might even say a little prayer. Oh, for these things I shall atone. Wanna make right.